To record the fees payment, you click on fees billing, search for the student, click on the student. You select the charge being paid for. For example, I've selected fees, boarding fees. You select the payment form, select a bank. You have to also select a bank account, then the bank reference number if it's available, then enter the amount that is being paid for, 100, then the manual receipt number. Then I select the transaction date. If it's a payment that is being made by a scholarship, you need also to click on scholarship payment, then you select the scholarship. But in this case, it's not a scholarship payment. So, well, after I'm entering all the information, I click on save. It's complaining that manual receipt not found. If that's the case, you need to verify that you have entered the correct manual receipt number. And if you are sure of that, just check whether the receipt book has been entered in the system. And if it has not been entered in the system, you need to add it to the system. You can do this by clicking on receipt books, then you click on add. I'm going to add receipt book number 1. So book 1, the receipts starting from 201 to 300. Right, then I click on create. Once I've done that, it's okay. I think I need to try again to save that receipt number. Then click on save. Well, successful. The receipts, you can view them. They are grouped according to periods. If you want to view them, you can click on this black plus sign. And then it's showing the transaction date, the period, the payment form, the charge, the receipt number, and the amount. Well, so in this case, when I was looking at the previous transaction, it was a transaction for just only one charge, which was boarding fee. But if you want to record payment for several charges, what you simply need to do is you need to highlight the charges, right? After highlighting the charges, you select the mode of payment. For example, I can say cash, right? Then the amount being paid for. Like for example, we want to distribute $20 to the following charge: GPF, practical, and tuition. Then I enter the manual receipt number. Then name, I select the transaction date. Then I click on save. Right. Please specify the cash book we are recording. Well, it's because I haven't specified the cash book that I want to record these cash payments. To do that, I need to click on settings, right? Then click on cash book. Then I select what? The cash book, and click on save. Then I can change and select the cash book. Then I click on save. After doing that, I can try to click on save again. Right. So basically, if you enter the amount that is less than the expected, it will ask you the type of distribution that you would like to do. You can distribute it in FIFO, as in first in, first out, meaning it will knock off the first charge, then goes on to the next, and up until the whole amount is finished. Or you can distribute it equal, or you can distribute it through ratios. So probably I can select to distribute FIFO. Then there, done. Right. So basically, this is how you record the fees payment.